one of the fastest growing global economies, is on the path of exponential growth. DFC is India's biggest rail infra project since independence and aims to bring a paradigm shift in the areas of freight transportation from busy road network to a more efficient and reliable rail transportation. This shift is expected to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission in the transportation sector. To boost this growth, the Government of India has embarked on a mission of building a dedicated rail freight corridor to connect all industrial areas with the ports of Western and Eastern India, and also set up multimodal logistics parks along the dedicated freight corridor to provide efficient, reliable and cheap mobility options for freight transportation. In order to make this vision a reality, Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited entrusted GMR Group with designing and building the prestigious 419-kilometer section of the Eastern Freight Corridor from New Deen Dayal Upadhyay Station to New Bhaupur, traversing 7 districts in the state of Uttar Pradesh. In this marquee project, no stone was left unturned to resiliently construct a world-class, top-quality 419-kilometer stretch of double-line track despite the adversities faced during the 3 waves of COVID-19. This project is proving to be a game-changer in freight transportation by breaking speed barriers and decongesting the existing railway network. DFC has emerged as freight expressways, transforming the logistics landscape by providing longer, heavier and faster trains. No wonder the Dedicated Freight Corridor project has been declared the jewel of Indian Railways. In the GMR project, colossal amounts of material, from soil to ballast and concrete to steel, was sourced and transported to build a total of 800 structures of admirable sizes. It entailed the construction of over 502 major and minor bridges and 2 most important bridges built using the latest technology and construction methodology, namely the longest bridge measuring 1.04 km on the Yamuna river and 400 meters long Tonse Bridge. In addition, 26 road-over bridges and 225 road-under bridges were constructed. 85 numbers pipe culverts were also constructed to create channels for water diversion, helping cultivate multiple crops in different seasons. One of the key challenges GMR faced during the construction was the seasonal flooding of the Karnavati River, which flows alongside the DFC alignment and occasionally rose to rail level. The protection of this embankment became necessary from a safety perspective. GMR provided the latest improvised articulated revetment technology for embankment soil stability for the first time in Indian Railways. 4 major rail flyovers were constructed along the track, including the 79-meter-long rail flyover at Chunar near Mirzapur. Out of the 12 yards built at different stations, the new Deen Dayal Upadhyay yard is the largest, comprising 2 main lines and 17 loop lines. The turnouts used in this project are specially designed and crafted from head-hardened rails imported from Spain, ensuring an exceptional level of safety. Large quantity of soil and ballast were brought to the site from long distances, and temporary roads had to be built to transport concrete to inaccessible sites. Fabricated steel girders were sourced from other states at different locations and then assembled and launched at the project site. At times, flooding rivers did not allow bridge construction for nearly 6 months during the monsoon season. Yet, the team achieved milestones in the committed time schedule. At several stretches, difficult detours were constructed by building embankments as high as 10 meters. Duly adhering to zero-tolerance policy on safety, the GMR team accomplished the achievement of 43 million safe hours despite the challenging work environment. GMR Group's commitment to develop social infrastructure and enhance quality of life of surrounding communities led to the installation of an oxygen plant at Railway Hospital, Kanpur, to support corona warriors. Giving corporate social responsibility paramount importance, many initiatives were taken to safeguard the life and livelihoods of locals.
I will come along with you to see how the project is to be further progressed. As compared to other projects, it was completed even much earlier. And this completion of this particular project made a big difference to the Indian rail infrastructure and to the Indian economy. When this entire area to Aupur was completed, there was no coal shortage with any of the power plants. Why? Because GMR has contributed for the national infrastructure.
This dedicated freight corridor has significantly reduced congestion on existing Indian railway tracks, facilitating faster movement of both passenger and freight trains. It has also enhanced the transportation of goods, making it quicker, more reliable and cost-effective. In addition to bridging the gap between supply and demand for freight services, the corridor promotes environmental sustainability by decreasing road-based goods transportation.
It is a matter of great pride and privilege for our GMR Group to be associated with the Indian Railways' prestigious Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor project in the state of Uttar Pradesh. At GMR, we are committed to participate and build projects of national importance. We always believed that we are the custodians of national assets. Inspired by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's vision for a Viksit Bharat, we truly believe that the 21st century belongs to our country. We are excited to keep pushing forward and contribute our efforts in making Bharat again a superpower in this era of Amrit Kal.
GMR is immensely proud of this successful construction and operationalization of this marquee infrastructure project. This cutting-edge development, a testament to the vision of a developed Bharat of the 21st century, was officially dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on December 18, 2023. This achievement will not only boost India's economy but also bring prosperity to its people.